Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, because when I tell you, I got a few goodies. Ooh, I got some goodies to get into. But, oh, okay, I was looking at something, y'all. But, okay, get into her. I'm trying to, let me see if I could set this right like that. I hope you guys can see me. Get into her. First of all, get into this lip, bitch. And the eye. I was playing around with some colors. Okay, guys, I've been playing around with some colors and get into her. You know, I got the cute little two ponytails going on. But yeah, get into her. Now, the two colors that in my previous video, the two colors that I've been playing in is that gold and that turquoise. But I decided to switch it up and put the blue over top, and I did the little gold going down the middle. And you know my leg, I had to focus with my lashes now. Give me a second, guys. Yes, now get into her. Okay, guys. What we decided to do was we took my design pen with the polish. This cute little thing right here. You know, I'm just trying to save some people a coin. Okay, you could look classy, you could look stylish. Fashion week is right around the corner. Yeah. But fashion week is right around the corner. If you do not want to break the bank, I'm gonna show you how a very, very affordable way to look cute, look stylish, and yeah. So my lip gloss by LA Colors from Dollar Tree, which was only $1. I just placed that over my my base coat, just kind of like so the glitters could stick. And I also got this part 3-in-1 nail art pen from Dollar Tree as well. And basically what I did was took like one of the things that is the little brush that come with the makeup palette, and I just dipped it in the glitter and dabbed it on my lips. You know, it's very cute, very simple. Get into her. Okay. Get into her, guys. Yes. Ooh, yes. So that's that for that. So yes, like I said, it's something so simple, but it looks so cute and it's very affordable. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to do none of that, guys. So yes, the first goodie that I have to show you guys, it was a present that was given to me. You know, my friend ended up giving me a present. Now, you do have to be careful with the little glitters and stuff. But like I said, this little is a travel size blow dryer. Normally I have another blow dryer. It's like a turbo that the Dominicans use. I have one of them. It's a bit bigger, but this one is actually a mid-size one. It's by Hot Beauty Professional. 1875 ceramic. It comes with a little comb attachment, and this is it, guys. It comes with the attachment right here, the comb. It's super affordable. Look at that, only $9.99. You can't beat that for like a travel size beauty blow dry. And we're gonna bust this open real quick. You know, I decided to yeah. You know, I had, when I come across, when I get goodies and great stuff, I gotta show you guys. Yes, I have to show y'all her. Get into her. Like I said, she's not as big as my turbo, but she's just the right size for for travel size. And it comes with the you plug that in. It got high, low, and medium. And yes, you know, it's something simple. It gets the job done. You know, it's, yeah. And we got us a little comb to go with it. Because, you know, for this head, I be needing something like this. I just shampooed my hair and just, put it in. I didn't even bother to, like, blow dry anything because, Yes, guys. Get into her. Get into her. Look at that. And you could travel with this. Look how nice and travel size this is. Bam. Bam. Hitting all the hot spots. Bam. 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 You just blow drying her up like that. Yes. Get into her. I had to bring it to y'all. I had to do it. I had to bring it to y'all. And the packaging, the box that it came in, you know, is nothing fancy. Got a little black around it, some paint, white. Nothing fancy. It comes with a Hot Beauty Professional blow dry instruction manual. Some directions on the back. And I got this from Ideal Beauty Supply. So, you know, guys, I have to put everything in the in my description box for you guys, you know, cause yeah. Now let me put her in here. Ooh, yes. I like it. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we want, yeah. But, yes. For when I'm ready to use her, then I'm going to whip her right out the box. You know, I have my, yes, guys. Yes. If you are new to my channel, as I say, like, comment, subscribe. I hope I was able to help anybody. Like I said, Fashion Week is happy. Fashion Week is here, honey. And yes, I am excited. You know, I'm excited because spring right around the corner. I'm anxious to see what looks they got going on for spring. You know, I'm the type of person that I'm always up on the latest fashion and stuff. I always want to know what's hot, bitch, and what's not. You hear me? So get into her. Now, as y'all know, a motherfucker been stealing my shit. People been stealing from me and shit like that. Motherfuckers been stealing. Motherfuckers been stealing. So, somebody was nice and kind to me and ended up purchasing me my Maxi hot comb all over again. I'm not going to bust her out the pack, but because for the simple fact, you guys already know what she looks like. And yeah. Okay. So, as I said, I have it in my previous video. It just have the off and on button. You feel me? And it goes up to... I believe it goes up to about $4.50. Yeah. This one does not go up to... yeah. But, it don't have the thermostat of whether it's on 100 or 250 or yeah. So, it just, once you plug it in, cut it on, it just get hot. And like I said in my previous video about these Maxi hot combs, they definitely, for $14.99, they definitely get the job done. I'm completely satisfied with Maxi hot comb. You know, yeah. I'm definitely heat resistant handle. Yes. Precision machine, highly polished, fine teeth, smooth finish. These are great on, like I said, when you're doing your laces and you want to get that smooth look. Even with me, like, sometimes you see all them flyaways. Sometimes I want all of this smooth. If I don't want to use no gel on my hair, then I'll use the hot comb. And as you guys can see, I got kinks all in. Yeah, girl, get into her. But like I said, we're gonna get her together. We had to let her breathe for a little bit. You know, we had to yeah. So, guys, if you, like I said, I'm always looking to help somebody save a coin, because I'm always looking to save a coin. Okay, get into her. So, if you, you know, you can get the hot comb by itself, which is a lot cheaper, and yeah. But if you don't have, unless you have a stove at home, or then by all means, you could take that route, because the hot comb is only about $7.99 or $6.99. So, yes, bitch. And like I said, is if you don't want to purchase the stove that it comes with, not that it comes with, the stove that's required for it, where you could just put the hot comb in. And that's that. Or maybe it is if you have a hot comb, I mean a hot stove at home or something like that, then you could take that route. But I decided to go ahead because I like I said, when I travel and do with my business and stuff like that, this really comes in handy. This is very handy for traveling stylists. So, yes. Now, ooh, y'all, I'm excited. So much is going on. So much is happening. I am feeling this lip. I just have to get into her. The glitters do good. See, this, in my opinion, this look is good for if you're not going to be doing much talking, okay? If you're going to be doing a lot of talking, you might want to just get you a basic lip, a basic yeah, and a basic, yeah. But if you just want to pose for the camera, flick, and kind of yeah, and look stylish doing it, then this lip is perfect for that. Because like I heard, by me talking. The glitters do get in my mouth. But that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna make it do with it. Make it do what it do. You know. So, okay. Now, like I said, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this greatness, being a part of this journey. Yeah, and if you're in the Houston area, you looking for a stylist, don't hesitate to reach out. I have my social medias below in the description box, guys. Get into it. I specialize in pretty much everything, okay? And if it's something that I don't know, I try to make it my duty to learn it. So yes, that's all I pretty much have for you guys. So definitely check out Ideal Beauty Supply, because I think they Chinese in there. I think they Chinese or Vietnamese or one of them. But they are super, super nice. The lady in there, she's super chill. The man in there, he's super chill. They're very helpful. And they're just super chill. So, get your ass down to Ideal Beauty Supply, okay? And make it do what the fuck it did. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.